Hi everyone, Mike here from Robart, and today we're going to be talking about how to zap your threads. So, got a piece of balsa, Phillips head wood screw. Let's go ahead and screw this in. And now, what's going to happen is, oops, I've stripped out the screw, right? And now I've over tightened it. Now what do? You do not want to have the screw stripped in here. So you go ahead and you take your Zap-A-Gap and back the screw out. Make sure you've got your Z end on here, which is the rigid tip that does come with the glue. Place that into your hole and back that out. Make sure that you've got a liberal amount of Zap-A-Gap in there. And then go ahead and screw this back into the wood. Do not use any accelerator. Give it about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that is locked in place. So if you got any further questions on any of your Zap products, give us a call at 630-584-7616. Or check us out online at www.robart.com and make sure that you click on that Zap Adhesives banner on the top of the toolbar. Or check us out on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest. Have a great day.